My name is Cindy Lehman, and I am the Computer Networking Technology Instructor on the Tupelo campus of ICC, and I have been teaching here for 23 and a half years. The Computer Networking Technology program is a 2-year program that leads to an Associate of Arts in Science. The program has about 15 IST classes. Some are designed to teach you about IT hardware, PC hardware and software, installing operating systems, installing applications. We are a Cisco Networking Academy. We have been for 20 years, and we use Cisco routers and switches, and the students gain experience setting them up, configuring them, maintaining, troubleshooting. We are also a CompTIA Academy, so we learn about A+ certification and Security Plus and Network Plus technology in some of our classes. And probably the most fun thing that our students learn are the network security classes, where we learn a little bit about viruses and malware, and also how to hack into systems, mostly because the only way to really protect your system is to know how they're hacking in, how they're getting into the system. So we learn how to protect against that by doing hands-on activities. This is typically a fall start program, and the class sequence is set up for fall start. However, we can accept students in the spring. Most of the classes are set up to be taken traditionally, day classes, but we do offer several of the classes at night. We also offer a few online, but because of the hands-on components in many of our classes, most of them are offered traditionally. Typically, students who graduate with this degree end up as PC techs, network techs, server administrators, network administrators. There are several different job titles depending on where they work. As far as pay, starting pay with a 2-year degree, no experience, and possibly a certification ranges anywhere from $28,000 a year to $40,000 a year, depending on where you go. So that gives you an average starting salary of about $34,000 a year. I find most of the students that do best in this program are ones that enjoy learning new things, especially when it comes to technology, because technology changes every day. I also find those that have kind of an affinity for problem solving, troubleshooting, do well, because with networks, we all know things break every day and have to be fixed. So I think that's an essential skill.